Diving into the Seine, your guide to swimming in Paris. Imagine diving into the heart of Paris, surrounded by iconic landmarks, and finding crystal-clear waters where you can swim freely. Last summer, Mayor Anne Hidalgo took a daring leap into the Seine, wearing a wetsuit just 9 days before the 2024 Paris Olympics. Her action was more than just a stunt. It symbolized a monumental effort to clean up the river, making it safe for open water events during the Games. While some hailed this move as a triumph, others, including myself, remained skeptical about whether a century of pollution could be reversed so quickly. But the story doesn't end there. Hidalgo's swim marked a pivotal moment in a €1.4 billion, $1.65 billion long-term project aimed at making the Seine swimmable for all. Following the success of the Olympic triathlon, which saw athletes navigating from the Pont Alexandre III past the Eiffel Tower, the city continued its efforts to improve and monitor the river's water quality throughout 2024. The results were impressive, leading to the opening of 3 officially sanctioned swimming areas in July. For the first time since 1923, locals and tourists, up to 1,000 daily, can enjoy a refreshing dip in the Seine at Brasses de Grenelle near the Eiffel Tower, Brasses Marie opposite Ile Saint-Louis, and Bercy near the François Mitterrand Library, all the way until August 31st. A rigorous daily bacteria testing program ensures safety, with a color-coded flag system, green indicating safe conditions and red signaling off-limits areas that can be checked in real time via an online map. These meticulously planned facilities embody Paris's vision to reconnect urban dwellers with nature and offer relief during scorching summers. Each site is equipped with lifeguards, pontoons, ladders, showers, lockers, and changing rooms. As one local content creator exclaimed, they even provide free sunscreen. Jessica Jekyll, the director of France for Fat Tire Tours and a longtime Paris resident, expressed her enthusiasm. I was thrilled because I love the water and didn't have time for a beach vacation this year. Now I can swim in a free outdoor space with stunning views right outside my door. Theo, a Frenchman who recently moved to Paris for a tech job, shared a similar sentiment. Swimming in the Seine is a unique experience, allowing you to explore the city's architecture from a whole new perspective. While some lingering doubts remain about historical contamination from industrial runoff and sewage overflows, stringent safety measures have reassured most swimmers. All participants must wear yellow lifebuoys for visibility and safety, and daily bacterial monitoring ensures clean water. Recently, the sites were temporarily closed due to heavy rains, highlighting the importance of these protocols. Ariane Grumbach, a nutritionist who has enjoyed several swims in the Seine, expressed her wish for longer swimming seasons. I'd love to swim year-round. Since the sites opened on July 5th, over 50,000 swimmers have participated without any reported health issues. City officials view this as a vital test phase, with plans to expand access in 2026 if all goes well. So, how can you join the fun? Visit paris.fr for detailed information. At Brasses Marie, you can swim from 8 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. on weekdays and until 5:30 p.m. on Sundays, with a maximum of 150 swimmers at a time. Bercy offers longer hours, from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. daily, accommodating up to 700 people, including a dedicated area for children. Brasses de Grenelle features a secure pool for kids and families, accessible from 10 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. daily. This summer, Paris invites you to immerse yourself in the Seine, experience the beauty of the city from a different angle, and become part of a cherished new tradition. What do you think? Will you take the plunge?